Immaculate 3 halves bath home west/office, 2-stall barn and carport on 2.84 acres. Built in 2016 using 2x6 construction with tinted thermal windows rated for 200 miles per hour winds throughout the home. Spacious open kitchen with breakfast bar, huge pantry and SS appliances, split floor plan, office which could be 4th bedroom. Property has an electronic gate, is fully fenced and irrigated. 2-stall barn with feed tack room, garage space for UTV, and 1 bay car boat port. 2 fenced paddocks for horses. Beautiful backyard with deck and fire feature for entertaining. Whole house generator. Indian Hammock is gated community of 3,600 acres and approximately 2,400 acres of preserve. Private airport, 3,000-foot grass airstrip, skeet and trap ranges, gun range, stables, restaurant, pool, gym, guest cabins and miles of trails.